The DS7 Crossback is the first proper all-new model from French luxury car brand DS Automobiles. Unlike its DS3, DS4 and DS5 siblings, the DS7 didn't start out in life as a Citroen and retrospectively gain its premium veneer. No, it was designed from the ground up to be the first of 6 new models launched each year from 2018 onwards. With this in mind, it's almost certainly DS's most important model yet, offering up a clear direction of where PSA's premium arm is heading over this crucial period of the brand's history. And by diving headfirst into the premium SUV pool, DS has positioned the DS7 in one of the fastest growing automotive markets around. Has the gamble paid off? Read on to find out. Up front, rationality makes way for the avant-garde design you'd expect of the French. DS's calling is to give to car buyers what French luxury brands Louis Vuitton and Chanel give to oligarchs' girlfriends. Angled switches cascade along the center console like toppling dominoes, the side air vents are pyramidal with a studded finish. There's a ghastly revolving clock from French horologists' BRM, and the volume dial is a small barrel of Swarovski-style crystal. It wobbles in its housing and is somewhat imprecise to use, but design insisted on it. That's one of myriad reasons why this cockpit will never be mistaken for an Audi's. Vive la difference! Climb into the trad SUV elevated seating position, and your posterior immediately warms to the plumb seats. They're like being spooned by bibendum, though could do with more lateral support. Imagine grasping a leather-trimmed wine bottle, that's how thick the steering rim feels. The materials are opulent, even the flap hiding a cubby in the center console can be trimmed in Alcantara or leather. One stitch pattern, with a raised ball of thread reminiscent of a pearl, took 2 years to industrialize, though it's still not perfectly spaced out. Craftsmanship is central to DS's appeal, and so is comfort and technology. Top spec 180 PS Blue HDI diesel or 225 PS petrol engines are equipped with active scan technology, where a camera peers 5 to 10 meters down the road, assessing the topography and adapting the dampers accordingly. It noticeably softens the abruptness of your initial speed bump contact, before stiffening as you descend to control body pitching. Strange, then, that after clearly investing large sums of money, DS has only made the active scan function available with a suspension in comfort mode. Switch to sport or even normal, and it's automatically switched off. However, even with it on the ride still isn't up there with efforts from a number of the DS7's rivals, struggling.